Good morning and welcome back to Dad Bod Trading, the most average, boring trading that you will ever find on YouTube or anywhere else, really. So, let us get into our watch list for today. So, we're going to trim it down a little bit. I am not feeling a whole lot for Lucid here. If anything, it's just going to break down possibly because of where Tesla is at. Tesla is like flirting with that $900 range, and Lucid is, of course, a sympathy play with it. So we are looking at either a break of this 2588 level or oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah. So we're looking for the break of this level here. So I am just going to, for the sake of trimming down our watch list, I'm only interested in it if it trades below this or if it can get up above here, 3050 level or so. We're going to be interested in it there. So at and above, create a thing here. So yesterday I got an alert for FedEx, one of FedEx, yeah. Our one alert went off here for the break of this channel here at 242.50-ish, and it, let's see here, yeah, so it broke. Well, wait a minute, what was it? Yeah, it alerted me like first thing in the morning, and I had reset it for the break of 42, I believe. 242, yeah. So it broke it and then couldn't get above VWAP again and continued to fade. So, excuse me. So I think that this could have potentially been an okay trade. The only problem is that the option spread is horrible. So, and it was pretty choppy. So I probably would have bought the break of 242, and with a target of, let's see, what was our target? The lower part of this channel, so 240.75 or so. Yeah, I mean, it got there, but it was after a while. It would have been just horrible to be chopped around in here. So anyway, let's continue through here. Lucid, we have our alert set. So I'm actually going to take it off of the watch list. We're going to go to MU, and MU had a very nice day yesterday. I didn't trade it. It wasn't really high on my priority list. It should have been, just based off of where it was starting. I mean, it held its gains basically. And so I had a nice little dip and bounce off of support here, and then it just went, rocket all the way up here. Would have been a very nice play. I don't like the rejection that it got at this higher level. So we'll see. It's green on the day, so that's awesome. I'm going to keep it up here. Actually, no, I'm not. We have an alert set for this all-time high here, and I'm not interested in it until it gets there. I should have taken this break of this lower channel here the other day, 2 days ago. I think I talked about that, but okay. So MU, I'm going to take that off of the list. One of the main reasons why I'm trying to trim down the list is I feel like in the last week or so, sorry, it rained here last night. Got some water in the basement, and I think it activated some kind of mold or something. So anyway, I'm always hacking and coughing on here, so my apologies as per usual. NVAX here Let's do an alert at the upper part of this channel. Looks like it's going to open in the lower channel here. Perfect. Vex, go away. I like to keep Apple on the list because it's a good indication of where the greater market is going for the NASDAQ. Plus, it's in this really beautiful little channel here. And again, we're going to set our alerts on here and here. Actually, I want an alert if it goes, yeah, below here. All right, I will be right back. Got to do some stuff here real quick, and I'll be back. And we're back. Oh, I should have used my cool little screen here. Be right back. But that's okay. Okay, so what was I saying? So Apple, um, if it breaks this lower level, then great. Right now it's green on the day. Awesome. Uh, and I need to do one more thing here. Um, okay. Did it, did it, did do. Da, 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 dee, okay. Looking like okay. So Apple, yep. Spy, of course, that stays on the list. The Qs must stay on the list. RBLX. Ah man, it's I made some good money with RBLX back in the day, but it's super choppy now. So anyway, I'm gonna take that 71. Eh, yeah. Okay. We're gonna take that off the list. Now watch it go crazy. You know. Uh FedEx. Yeah, if it can drop below here, that'd be amazing. Replace. And I would like to do this. Make a little mark there. There we go. Okay, cool. More than likely, it'll bounce off of this level, I think, and consolidate in this lower range, like below this channel. But we'll see. AMD. Nothing really going on with AMD right now. Yeah. Take that off the list. If it does get up to this level again, that would be nice. So let's create an alert. Create. And if it breaks down here, then yeah. Okay. Baba. Interesting. I would like it to get above here. That'd be nice. Yeah, looks good. Save. It's kind of been like a yeah. We'll see. I'm going to leave it on there just out of curiosity. Poor Facebook. Just getting destroyed. Hmm. Somebody mentioned something about. It wasn't Facebook. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it on there. Disney. If we can be above this level, I could possibly go places. Hmm. If it goes red on the day, that could be interesting too. We'll keep that on there. Twitter, eh. It just doesn't have the volume it used to have. I mean, look at this. They had these amazing runs for like a couple weeks, you know. Not anymore. Some good shorting opportunities, but yeah. We're in the distribution consolidation area here, so I'm going to take it off. I don't like Twitter anyway. Go here. Lyft. What are we doing, Lyft? Lyft and Uber. They were kind of tag teaming. I think Uber was actually halted. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yep. It was actually halted pending some news, and it does not look like it was good news. Poor thing. Ooh. That's a hard drop right there. So, White House has loved things that played on the gig economy. What? Not agenda soon. So what happened yesterday? So, oh, there's a lot of news yesterday. Okay, Uber training higher. So that was obviously before that. Halted news pending. Lyft spikes. Sees gross bookings. Investor Day. Orders again. So it's just like well, but Uber strong Q4 results. Slipped 4.4% after being up, and then Uber expect to expand its gross bookings by between 22 and 25% a year. Thursday, whoa. Thursday morning it was halted for news pending before the halt. So the event company expected gross bookings. Company over expects sales. So I guess I don't quite understand. Like why? What was the news? Was it just the Senate stuff? I don't. Oh, maybe it was. It had to do with this bill here. Anyway, yeah, interesting. I'm not too interested in Uber. I mean, yesterday it would have been cool to trade, but um, there's really not. I mean, unless we would have shorted it like here or here, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, so CVS had some interesting things happening. I suspect that it's going to just keep consolidating around in this area here, having a day like yesterday, which is okay. Whatever. What's this? Hmm. Zillow. I'm liking Zillow. Zillow has had some good action in the past and has good news. And I think it could be good. So CVS, I'm taking that out. Lyft, I'm gonna take that out too. Disney, we're looking at above this 53 level ish, something like that for being bullish. And then we want a couple other ones I wanted to look at here. Affirm, I remember that from 2020. I think it was 2020. Was it 2021? I think it was 2020. Yeah, kind of crazy. So we have some support at 52. And we have range down to 50. Man, that was a hard drop. Whew. Yikes. Even that got halted, I think. For a couple minutes. It's halted. Wow. Ouch. Okay, so we're looking at support at 52. So this would be a good candidate for the gap strategy. It's definitely gapped down. Support at 52 from yesterday also. It definitely bounced off of 50, but let's see. The question is it going to rebound? Like, okay, is it? I'm trying to remember. So if it's more than like 8% or something like that, then it tends to go back up. So could it go back up? Somebody's saying if it holds 54, it could be bullish. Well, we will see. Let's just stick that on the side here. Okay. Also want Zillow there. 56 is a key level on Zillow. These levels would be key for Affirm. EXPE. All-time highs, looks like. So that's good. And there's the bell. So we're gonna do. Oh, I didn't get my notepad up here. Let's go over here. Disney's looking good. Disney's looking very good. Let's see here. Okay. I mean, it's an inside day, but that's okay. Zillow, yes. Very nice. Come on, YouTube. Let's do this. Oh, there we go. I want to do this. Go there. Okay. We're going to give it a couple minutes here to do its thing. Okay. So we have a big drop there. On Zillow and Affirm. So yeah, let's see what happens here. What was that sound? FedEx? Ooh, yeah, okay. We can. Yikes. Look at the spread on those options. It is Friday, so things are going to be. Things are going to be kind of whacked, but. Ooh, I just. No, I can't trade that. Sorry, I just can't trade that. Nope. I mean, it's great. It's a great breakdown. It's fantastic. But I just can't. I can't do that. Look at that beautiful breakdown. Ooh, yeah. Well, all right. So Affirm is going down. Disney bounced off of there. Whoa. So I think we are going to prepare for. Okay, so the best entry here would have been break of the first lower part of the candle here. Give us some room. What's with these companies with the options being having such a horrible spread? This is like $50. Yeah, I'm Zillow. Looks like Zillow's breaking down. Look for some bounces though, because the Qs and the SPY are hitting support. Oh, don't lock up on me now. Think or swim. Is it gonna hit it? All of these have horrible spreads. I can't trade them. Disney. What's Disney doing now? Affirm. I would be shorting it right now. I would have been definitely into it, but it's has these horrible option spreads. That's not too bad now, actually. Okay, let's see what it does here. I think maybe we'll try to get into the affirm action here. Bum bum bum. Yeah, I think that we're gonna be careful here. Best entry would have been up there, but the price of the options was bad, and it's still kind of weird. But anyway, Disney is breaking down. What's Zillow doing here? It's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Yeah. Let's give it some time. Markets are bouncing. These are bouncing. Give some time for the options to mature a little bit. Yeah, that's just out of the question. I mean, it's over $100 spread on that, so nope. That's off the list. Not gonna touch it. So we're back at Disney, which is looking kind of nice for a reshort here. It held 53 though. It held 53, but where are we? Stalled out at 54. It held 53 though. So that's nice. Nice little bounce off of VWAP there, and this pre-market support. $25. 25 cents. Yeah, I mean, Zillow would have been perfect. Nice break there. I just didn't like. I did not like the options price. It wasn't worth it. There wasn't enough range. So let's see what's going on here. Disney. All right, I'm actually going to grab a couple calls here. I think that, let's see, 60 cents. I think we could be looking at something here. Let me do this. Hey, where am I typing? Strike of 155 at 60. And I'm going to regret this probably because the whole market is kind of crashing. So give it some time. Can I get back above 153.50? Okay, no, not really. Okay, that's good. All right. Um, boy. So I'm gonna say 153. What's this? 153.50 is gonna be my stop here. I want a pretty tight stop because um, I don't trust this market. Actually, I'm gonna get out of it. I think that it's so hard to know, but I'm gonna get out of it. Disney calls 0.55, so that was just a very small loss there. But I don't like how the market's looking, so you know, give it some time here. Zillow could be interesting. Let's look at Zillow here. It has a nice little channel here that it made between 54.6 and 55. So let's see what happens. I'm glad I'm out of Disney. That's nice. Hmm. Yeah. Being Friday, it's kind of being a little bit whacked. There goes Tesla down. I had some pretty high hopes for Zillow, but it's not proving to be great. Um, somebody's crowing off of about a firm, so talking about the gap strategy, and I'm not sure. Yeah, I think they're just talking about it gapping down, and then let's see here. What is this? Yeah, I mean that's it is like the gap strategy says that your entry is the break of the first candle, whether it's the high or the low. So entry would have been around 53, and goal would have been 52, I think. Yeah, 52 ish. Um, so yeah, that would have worked. It was $1, but at the time, the spread on the options was kind of crummy. So yeah, getting a little boost here with the SPY. Nice. What's going on, SPY? Get a nice little boost of volume there off of your red to green line. Sweet. Break 450. Come on. Let's do it. Yeah. Um, wow. Okay, something happened. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that volume. Tesla and Apple are both pushing, along with Netflix and probably Nvidia, I would imagine. Let's see, Nvidia, is that pushing too? Yeah, nice bounce off of support there. Beautiful. Looks like Disney's trying to come back. That's cool. Could have bought the bounce off of 53, but hey, we're going to let that go for now. So Zillow could be a dip and rip. So it dips at the open and then rips in the afternoon. Tesla reversed its direction. That's nice. Um, Everything's looking pretty good. But as I like to say, easy come, easy go. And huge pushes in one direction oftentimes reverse very quickly and have extreme moves in the opposite direction. So let's see what happens here. Not to say that it can't keep pushing. Like in this case, yeah, it's definitely pushing nice and hard and fast. But more often than not, for example, we had, what were we trading yesterday? Was it Disney? No. Yeah. It was Disney. Yeah. So, um, usually it works out like this: where you have a big push and then a huge drop after a little bit. That's usually what happens. I got stopped out of here because it went above the high of the day. So it made a new high, and that's usually a very bullish sign, but then it dropped right back down. So hey, there we go. I'm happy to see it above 450 again, and very happy to see Tesla above 900. It was kind of tiptoeing around there. That's good. That's cool. Uh, I actually like it when there's a lot of consolidation in the morning because that means you're going to have a great breakout later on, like Netflix here, for example. Nice little range here. When it breaks out, it's going to be awesome. I like that. Disney is looking very similar. Just a great range. Good amount of consolidation. Facebook is looking very tantalizing right now. The problem is it has too much support at this red to green, but if it could go red on the day below this line, that could be good. Disney. Playing with that 153 level. Yeah, Facebook's looking good for a short. Disney's looking good for a short here pretty soon. I'm liking it. Should have gotten the puts up here. It was just a really strong push on the SPY, so I was a little bit wary. So when you have lower highs and lower lows, that denotes that the buyers are getting exhausted and the sellers are beginning to become more plenteous. So like some of the buyers are turning into sellers. So, oh Facebook, oh Facebook. Let's see you go red on the day. That would give me a lot more confidence. I mean, look at yesterday. Yesterday was really crummy. But today, there we go. All right, so I'm going to say, let's get so about 200. Around 200 here pretty soon. Yep. I'll try to grab one at Facebook put, and we have 227.5 at 200. So we're going to grab one of those, and then we're going to give it some time. Do. So I would like to see yeah, I think I'm just going to go for about 50 cents on this one. And there's our goal. And let's see here. Nice and convincing there. Good tip down there. Gonna do 226 here. 227, I should say. Yeah, that's what we'll get out at. And we are out. 230. Okay, so that was a good trade there. Very nice, clean break. Zillow's kind of looking like the same sort of a things. Oh, this is a beautiful H pattern. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Hmm. Facebook continues to drop. That's nice. I'm glad we took our profits there, though. That's awesome. Disney finally broke down. Yeah, looks like we're getting some action. Very nice. Could have walked away with quite a bit more on Facebook here, but that's okay. I'm also, yeah, I think Zillow could have been, it could have worked. I still didn't really like the spread on it, but look at this H pattern here. You have the handle, the H. I mean, it's not picture perfect, but it's pretty close, you know? So yeah, Facebook was the good play. Disney, I think, could have been a good play also. With the break of the channel here, the break of, yeah, this channel here, it probably right. Yeah. Let me look at the. What are we looking at? 152 fives is what we were looking at. And I don't, might have been able to get them for 80 cents and sold at red to green level here, which was a peak of 108, but the spread is about $10. So I mean, it would have worked, but again, the spread's just not great. So, and Facebook keeps on going. Hey, that's beautiful. Yeah, nice, very nice. I guess that was a good call. Um, I underestimated the size of the move quite significantly. Could have made twice what I made off of it, but hey, that's okay. I mean, to me, 120 or 227 right here had tons of support in my mind, so that was a safe place to get out at. So, yup. All right. Well, hey, I'm gonna call that good. I think there's more stuff to be done here, but I'm going to call that a good day. Had a very small loss at the beginning there, recalibrated, and was able to make it back. So, hey, make it back plus some. So, I'm happy with that. All right, well, have a fantastic day. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it, even if you're watching this later on. Thank you for your time. And yeah, we will. Oh, it is Friday, so hope everybody has a fantastic weekend and that you can be safe, stay healthy, and have a great day today. And I'm gonna head out to work. So, thanks again, and we'll see you Monday morning, bright and early.